Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. On the menu today we have this lovely, gorgeous, delicious looking baked potatoes with shrimps. The first thing we're going to do is make sure our potato is thoroughly cleaned by giving it a really good wash. Then we're just going to make some small holes inside for easy cooking. Then I'm going to add a drizzle of oil and some salt, rub this really well together. Now I'm going to bake this in the oven for about between 45 minutes to an hour depending on the size of your potato. Now to prepare your shrimps, these are already deshelled and deveined. Just give them a good clean. Now because I washed them, I do like to go in with a napkin just to sop up the added water that's there. Now we're going to season our shrimps with, I'm using some seafood seasoning. I've got some all-purpose seasoning as well as some sweet paprika. Any seafood seasoning or all-purpose seasoning will do the trick. I'm also going to add a drizzle of oil and just give it a good mix and just put it to the side for maybe about 15 minutes or so. Now we're going to be making a sauce, so I'm going to be using some shallots as well as garlic cloves. You want to get those finely chopped and make sure you crush the garlic. When it's time to clean our shrimps, I did go in with some oil and just gonna lightly fry the shrimps on each side for maybe about a minute or so. I'm not going to fully cook the shrimps yet because we are going to be adding it to the potato and putting it in the oven. We just want to make sure that our shrimps has a nice sear on them. Now don't overcrowd your pan because then we want the shrimps to have a nice color. We don't want them to kind of steam. So I didn't go in with all the shrimps at once. Now this is kind of the color I am looking for. Now once your shrimp is done, just go ahead and remove them, but you don't need to clean the pot because there's so much flavor right there. I went in with a few knobs of butter, then I'm gonna add my chopped shallots and crushed garlic. I'm gonna let this saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. After this time, I'm going to go ahead and add some coconut milk. Now what I do with my coconut milk, when I use a tin and it's too much, I do put it in ice cubes and freeze them, then place them in a bag. It's just so much easier for when I want to use them. I'm also going to go ahead and add a couple of this spoon of water. Now if you want to use cream at this point, you can use cream, that's completely fine. I like to use coconut milk. I just love coconut milk. I'm also gonna add I'm gonna scrape off like a sprig of thyme, just the leaf. I don't want the stem inside. Now for some of the shrimps, I'm gonna finely chop them and add them to the sauce. Don't use all your shrimp at this point because we are gonna be putting some shrimps on top of the potato later. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. If you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Please turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video for my returning subscribers. Go and big up on yourself. Now once your potatoes are finished baked, make sure you leave them aside for them to cool down for a bit. Don't bother go take up the hot potato in your hand because that now go work out nice here. Now what I'm doing here, I'm literally just scooping out the potato there into a bowl. Don't throw away the skin. We're going to re-add the potato in the skin, but what we're going to do now, we're going to just build this potato. So I'm going to go in now with my potato masher and mash my potato. I'm also going to add some mayonnaise. I'm going to add the shrimp mixture that we've just made and just give that a good mix. And then I'm going to add my cheese. I'm using a mature cheddar as well as some red Leicester. You can add, if you want that really cheesy pull, you can add some mozzarella. At this point I didn't have any, so baby, it never go in there. Now once I give this a good mix, I'm gonna go ahead and add a few sprigs of chives. This is completely optional, I just like the taste of it. Now once your mixture is completed, you want to just load that back into your potato skins. Now once you've loaded back your potato skins, the remaining shrimp, what I did, I literally just cut them in half down the middle, and then I'm gonna add them on top. Now you can add the cheese first and then the shrimp, or the shrimp then the cheese. It's up to you, it's your thing, do it how you like. I was just, you know, whatever my hand landed on, that's what I was working with. Now you know that big piece of cheese there, it never did go to waste, let me just tell you that. Guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and please share if possible. Now once you've done all your potato, what I did is just sprinkled a little bit of dried parsley on top, as well as some paprika. I'm gonna bake this for about 15 minutes. We just want the cheese to melt, because remember, you know, it's already done. And after the time, baby, there you go, my loaded potatoes with shrimps is ready. Just get your fork and come. Now I also went in and I sprinkled a bit more chives on top. Once again guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think about this recipe. I hope you made this, and I hope you will thoroughly enjoy this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.